SIM card not working on iPhone? 6 ways to fix it. If your SIM card is not working on your iPhone, here are 6 ways you can try to fix the issue. 1. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix the problem. Hold down the power button until the slide to power off option appears. Slide the bar to turn off your iPhone, wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. 2. Check for carrier updates. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest carrier updates. Go to Settings, General, About, and if an update is available, you will be prompted to download and install it. 3. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. Turn off your iPhone and use the SIM card ejector tool, or a paperclip, to remove the SIM card from the tray. Inspect the SIM card for any damage or debris, then reinsert it and turn your iPhone back on. 4. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. This will erase all your Wi-Fi passwords and other network settings, so you will need to re-enter them. 5. Contact your carrier. If the issue persists, contact your carrier to ensure there is no issue with your account or the network. 6. Restore your iPhone. If none of the above solutions work, you can try restoring your iPhone to its original settings. Make sure to back up your data before doing this, as it will erase all data on your iPhone. Go to Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings. Hopefully, one of these solutions will fix the issue with your SIM card.